Hey, do you get those Zoom meetings where people don't come off mute or they're off mute and they just keep annoying you and breaking into the conversation? If you're a Zoom host, there's a way you can fix that. So if you see here, I'm starting a new Zoom meeting and there are two little secrets I want to show you. When you come down to the Zoom meeting and you scroll down, you will see a section here called Options. And if you click on the Show button, this is where the secrets are. First thing is you can mute panelists upon entry, which means they always come in silent. The next thing you can do is you can request permission to unmute them. That's this option here. If you do that, this means they will be asked if you can unmute them at the beginning of the meeting. And that will give you permission to unmute them at any time during the meeting. So you can now leave everybody muted during the meeting. You can leave it so they can't unmute themselves. But you will have the ability, because you've requested it with this, to unmute them whenever you want to hear them in the meeting. So you can call them up, introduce them, and then hit the unmute, and they'll be able to talk straight away. And for controlling meetings, that's the best tool I know.